Hi everyone, I'm back with another tutorial. It's a part 6 tutorial. In the last part 5 series, we talk about how to set up our project and how to create timeline and how to organize all the footages. We talk about all the things in the previous tutorial. So before we jump into editing our video, I'm going to a little bit talk about creating our own keyboard shortcut keys for editing. These keyboard shortcuts will speed up our editing process while we editing. It's a lot more faster. I'm going to show you right now how we can create our own keyboard shortcut keys. For that, we need to go to Edit and click on Keyboard Shortcuts located here. These all are the keyboard shortcut keys. I already created my own keyboard shortcut keys, and make sure you selected Custom here, and then you just go on Create your shortcut keys. I'm going to show you right now what is the main shortcut keys we need to create. And the first shortcut key is Selection tool. I'm going to show you what are the keys for that one. After that, I will show you how we can use that keys. Just you need to create these shortcut keys. There is no any rule you can create exactly what I was following. You can create your own shortcut keys. Why I created my shortcut keys from here? My hand is a little bit short, so that's why I created my shortcut keys everything according to this keyboard in the left side in this area. I don't want to move. I don't have that much longer fingers to move up to this area. That's the reason I created my all shortcut keys in the left side. Everything is located in left side. If you press Control, I have a lot of shortcut keys. If I press Shift, I have some of the shortcut keys for that as well. So I'm going to show you now. Let's jump into the shortcut keys. What are the main shortcut keys we are using in film editing? Okay, now we are in Selection tool. For that one, I created one. For that one, numeric number 1 here, this number 1. Track select forward tool for this one, A, and then ripple edit tool for that B, rolling edit tool for that N, and then rate stretch tool for R, and then slip tool for 2, numeric number 2 from here, and slide tool for that U, and the hand tool for 3, and the zoom tool for Z, and type tool for T. If you come to edit tab here, you can find out that one, edit. Now here undo, Control Z. This is as like Microsoft Excel or any other software. For undo, Control Z, redo, Control Shift Z, and for cut, Control X, copy, Control C, paste, Control V, paste to insert. This is the new shortcut key I added, sorry. For paste insert, Shift V, and I'm gonna go with the clear. This clear for delete, or Shift F for that, and ripple delete for Shift delete. You can use Shift delete also, or else you can use right click and then ripple delete. You can delete that one. Ripple delete means we are deleting the gaps from the clips in between the clips. And for duplicate, Control D also for duplicate, and select all for Control A. Okay, and if you come to the clip tab, just scroll down. There is an option speed duration. For that, Control R, we can change our speed 100 times. 100% is normal, and you can change it as a 200%, or you can slow it down. That one has a 50%, 1%, or 200% is a more 1000%. How much you want? If you just scroll down, there is a enable. That means a clip enable. Shortcut key for Y. You can hide the clip, or you can enable the clip by using this shortcut key. And then link. Previously I shown you how to we link and unlink the audio file and video file. If you selected one clip, selecting both together, video clip and audio clip, so for that one we can unlink also. Control L for link and unlink. Unlink also Control L. You can press it again one more time. For group, Control G. Ungroup for Control Shift G. We are not using this one. Don't worry about this. If you come to sequence, render effects in work area. This is for enter. You just make an in out for a specific area which one you want to render. If you render that part, the playing will be very smooth, much more smoother. If you have a lot of effects in the video clips, so that will render out the effects and all things, and you can play with the real time. So that is for render effects in work area for enter. And then for the add edit, this is very important. For this one, shortcut key for H, add edit as like a razor. Previously I shown you the razor tool. We just take the razor tool and you can make a cut wherever we want. There's a shortcut key for add edit, not for add edit all tracks. Control Shift all, this is default shortcut key. I'm not setting for this one. This is the default, came from the Premiere Pro, and my version is only add edit. You can select the clip and then you can add the edit, and then you can select, or if you didn't select any clip, you just add edit. It will cut all the clips, whatever clips you have in the timeline. It will cut audio and video clips as well. For lift I'm not using. I'm using extract. This is very important. This is for F. Forgot about P. That is I selected for my old shortcut keys. After that I shifted to my left side of the shortcut keys. You take a F, extract for F, Shift S for zoom in, and zoom out, Shift A. It's a default is equal, minus and plus. For that one is equal and minus. It's an underscore something. And markers. This is very important. Make sure for marker I selected for AS and mark out for D. And if you come to the go to in, this means go to in means when you added in point, out point. If you press this one Q button, go to in, that will go to the in point. Go to out point, this is out point. W for out point. This is most probably using for in and out. And clear in, clear out. If you want, you can set this one. This is a default, came up with the Premiere Pro. I didn't set this one, but this is very important. Clear in and out. I want both should be clear in one single time. For the G, shortcut key for G. Add marker. Add marker for that one M. And then go to the next marker for 4. Go to the previous marker for 5. Clear selected markers for 6. And then clear all markers. Shift 6. This is also very important. This is also very useful keys, shortcut keys while editing. Go to next edit point and then go to previous edit point. This is very important. When you press the down button and up button, it will go to the next cut. Edit point means one cut we have, any of the cut, that means that is the one edit point. And then if you go to the sequence clip end, it will directly go to the end point. If you press the home button, it will directly come to the home. It's a default shortcut key in the Premiere Pro. It's come up with the Premiere Pro. I didn't set any of the shortcut keys. This is also very useful sometimes. You can note it down this. For camera record also we are not using. If you're an online editor, you can set this one. But in this case, I'm not using any online editing. That's the reason I'm not using any of these shortcut keys. Play stop toggle. If you just directly press the space button, it will play and then it will stop. If you press one more time, that's for space. It's a default shortcut key. Okay, this is a shuttle left. For that one X, I set up for that one X. The shortcut keys is located here, XCV. I will show you right in a bit now. Shuttle right for V, this one here V and X, and then shuttle stop for C. These three shortcut keys. You just gonna press this one. You 3 fingers. The middle finger goes to C, ring finger goes to X. And then another finger go to V. You just to press to V, C, X, those 3 fingers, and you just slightly shift to the S. That's a mark in, mark out, and then extract. It will remove that part. I will show you that one in editing section how it will helpful. Step back 1 frame. That is the left key, and right key. Step forward 1 frame. So this is a default. And then there is a one more option. There is a nudge clip sequence up and down. Yeah, here. Yeah, this is the shortcut key, another shortcut key. So it's a nudge clip selection down. Nudge clip selection left 5 frames. So if you alt shift left, if you press that one, this is the clip here. If you press this button, it will shift from right 5 frames to left side. That means this side, left side. It's a left nudge clip selection left 1 frame. This 1 frame means it will go only one frame for left side or one frame for right side. If you it will be helpful sometimes. And then nudge selection right 1 frame, it will go to right side. If you select and if you press alt and then right button, it will select go to the right side. and then it's a selection, large clip selection upside. If you select this one and then Alt and then up, press up, it will go up, 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 something like that. So once you created all the shortcut keys, you come to save as option, and then save your shortcut keys as you in your name, whatever you want to name you with your name underscore keys. So I'm going to show you where these keys is located. If you go to document files, Adobe, and then if you go to 13.0, that is my Premiere Pro file, and then if you go to profile, yeah, if you go to the Win here, you just go to your PC, document, Adobe, select your version. Mine is 13.0 version, maybe it will vary, 13.2 or 13.3. Profile, that's my profile, and this is a Win. In under my profile, Win, there are my shortcut keys. This is my shortcut keys. You can copy this shortcut keys and you can store it in your pen drive. And if you go to any other PC, you just copy the shortcut keys and paste into same location. And then if you go to Premiere Pro and then open edit and then keyboard shortcut keys, if you go to here, in this case keyboard layout presets, you will see the name of your shortcut key, and then you just select your shortcut key and then start editing. So that's how we can change the shortcut keys. Or else you can place this one in Google Drive also, and then if you're editing in somewhere, you just download the shortcut key file and then place into this location, and then you just select your shortcut key and then start editing. Okay, that's the shortcut keys, main shortcut keys we are using.